The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, is the United States government agency responsible for the nation's civilian space exploration and aeronautics research efforts. Established in 1958, NASA plays a pivotal role in advancing our understanding of space, Earth, and the universe through a wide range of activities. Space exploration: NASA designs, develops, and operates spacecraft and missions to explore various celestial bodies, including planets, moons, asteroids, and comets.
10, 9,
Prominent
8,
examples
7,
include the Apollo
6,
moon landings,
5,
the Mars rovers, example,
3,
Curiosity,
2,
Perseverance,
1,
and missions to
0,
outer planets,
lift
example,
off
Voyager,
of Space Shuttle
Juno.
Atlantis.
Human
Mission
spaceflight:
to build,
NASA is known
resupply,
for its
and
human
to do
spaceflight
research
program.
on the International
It has
Space
sent
Station.
astronauts into space for various purposes, including conducting scientific research on the International Space Station, ISS, exploring the Moon, and potentially preparing for missions to Mars in the future. Aeronautics research: while NASA is primarily associated with space exploration, it also conducts research to advance aviation technology. This includes developing more efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft, improving air traffic control systems, and studying the aerodynamics of different aircraft designs. Earth science: NASA studies Earth from space to better understand its climate, weather patterns, natural disasters, and environmental changes. This research contributes to our understanding of climate change and its impacts. Astrophysics and space observation: NASA operates a wide range of space-based telescopes and observatories to study the universe in various wavelengths of light. The Hubble Space Telescope, Chandra X-ray Observatory, and James Webb Space Telescope, scheduled for launch, are examples of such observatories. Planetary science: NASA's missions to other planets and celestial bodies provide insights into their geological processes, atmospheres, and potential for habitability. This research helps us understand the origins and evolution of our solar system. Technology development: NASA often develops cutting-edge technologies that have applications beyond space exploration, including medical advancements, materials science, and energy technologies. International collaboration: NASA collaborates with other space agencies and international partners on various missions and projects. The ISS, for instance, is a multinational endeavor involving multiple countries. Inspiration and education: through its missions, discoveries, and outreach efforts, NASA inspires people around the world and fosters interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM education. Commercial space activities: NASA works with private companies to develop commercial space capabilities. This includes partnering with companies for cargo and crew transport to the ISS, stimulating the growth of the commercial space sector. Overall, NASA's role in space research is to push the boundaries of human knowledge, explore new frontiers, and advance science and technology for the betterment of humanity.